Want to improve in your Instagram story? How can you make it much livelier? How about adding music? But don't know how to? Well, let's find out together. First, head on over into Instagram. Swipe to the right to create a story. Take a picture or a video by clicking on the white button. Swipe up for more options. And select Music. Go ahead and choose your favorite music.
My sunshine.
You can scroll left and right to choose the particular part of the music. And you can choose the icons to add lyrics or more content of the music. You can also choose how long the music should last. Well, there you have it. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.